Doing it on Omega. Rank match episode 392, part 1. DRYTRON versus Salads. Who goes first? I went first, okay. Nova. Alpha. Okay, that's a bit too slow. Come on, Jesus. Linked off a Karibo. Viner. Arclight. Benton. Alpha. Benton. Alpha. Add ultimateness. Benton. Add Diviner. Yeah, I was trying to load up on the fairies. Gamma Tribute Alpha, special summon him back. A bit of Fafnir, attach for Delta. Delta Tribute effect, reveal a ritual spell or monster, draw a card. Medium DRYTRON, attach, ritual, decrease, add back. Activate again, detach, Benton, overlay for Beatrice, send, I screwed up here, I was supposed to send Herald, Diviner, then I accidentally banished Benton, sent to the graveyard and banished it with Eva. Birthday effect, 50,000 copy Redis Fusion for Goon, and that's it. Right now I have 5 negates. Imperm ultimateness, and I negate, discard infinite permanence. Buffalo, Phalanx, unsummon, kill Phalanx, and then I got chain block there. Oh, not really. Okay, yeah. Yeah, he did chain block me with Gazelle. Gazelle's summon effect, but then his field effect. And let's do this. Was that flawless? I think that was flawless. Part 2. Come on. Bruh. Why is this loading taking forever? Come on. Come on. This is ridiculous. Load the goddamn replay. There we go. Shh. Speed it up. Circle, Gazelle, Jaguar, Phalanx, Chainlink 1, Chainlink 2. Gazelle for Roar. Okay. Spinny, increase attack. Only to get him out. Rastelio, detach, special, linked for Wolf, Falco, set the Roar, activate the Sanctuary, reincarnate Link with the field spell Sunlight Wolf, What has happened there? Who went back? Something went back. Yeah, because Wolf had, or I don't know what the hell happened there. But he does have a Balinx in there. Call by the Grave, Balinx, and he's gonna roar it. I thought the Call by the Grave went through. I completely forgot. It didn't. It got negated. And I got the Alpha. Alpha, tribute to Benton, add the ultimateness. Benton, get Diviner. Zeta, tribute, ultimateness, and I get Ash. Normal summon Diviner. Send Arclight. Arclight, adding the Medium Stratron. Medium Stratron, ultimateness. Decrease attack, add back. Go for the Verte Dragoon. Dragoon pop, he saved it, but I popped the Stalio. And he did not activate its effect here. Card center. Oh, it's a link material. Okay, never mind. It's gonna Gazelle, ultimateness, and Eva banish those two for those two. Battle, attack, attack, attack. So far I got 4 negates. Oh! Jude. And I'm saving the Dragoon. I was gonna Spinny, special summon from the grave. I lit him up. It's gonna Balinx. It's gonna Foxy, discard Foxy. Discard my Salamanger. Special summon this card, then you can destroy one. I'm just gonna Dragoon that and. Oh, he has Jaguar still. Oh no. Splash Mage, Splash Mage. Special back Gazelle. Falco. Switcheroony. Oh. Backed off a transcode. It's a Salamangreat, hit the grave. Gazelle. Gazelle's effect. I dumped the rage, but he has nowhere to get the rage back. But he can go for access code. Access code's effect. Gaining, how many is that? 3,000. Link 3 plus 3,000. 5,300. Runs over Dragoon. And then starts popping off here. He had a water and no, he actually had. He even had the fire there. For access code. Yeah, water, earth, and fire if you wanted to. Alpha Zeta. Medium Stratron, decrease attack. Zeta and Tasha. Add Medium Stratron. Fafnir. Fafnir dump Gamma. Medium Stratron. Natasha. Natasha. Target can have to attack. Gamma Tribute Alpha. Special summon Zeta. That's for IP. Natasha, banish Cyber Angel, target a monster. Special summon, take control. Dasha, target, can't have to attack. Boral Sword. I wanted to finish him off with his own monster, but I already attacked with the Boral Sword. I thought I was gonna attack more. Let's duel wins. Does he have a deck? He does have a deck right here. Let's what is it? 392. 392. Okay. We went from 1102 to 1122. 392, where are you? 392. Here we go. Here we go. One effect veiler. Double Ice Dragon's Prison. Whoa. Triple goes and match. Oh, a Lingu. Contact C. Okay. Probably didn't get anything. Still at 257? Still at 257. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.